الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين.
Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my dear students? Hope we are all well by the Almighty Allah. Let's go to observe a paragraph on village fair. The lessons we will learn here: number 1, paragraph; number 2, article gaps; number 3, capitalization and punctuation mark. Part 1, paragraph on village fair. Now we will discuss about a paragraph 1, village fair. A village fair is one of great popularity to the village people. It brings a festive look to them. A village fair is usually organized on the occasion of the Hindus' Durga. It is generally on time a year, held one May and June. The various occupation holders have an aim on the village fair. This fair lasts about 10 to 15 days. The trade and commerce followers set up their pavilions with colorful patterns and goods. The village fair stands on about 1 acre land. It offers the area of a river side most. There are several parts of the fair, and a part is decorated with sweets, one toys for the children, one hotels, one recreation, namely merry-go-round, theatres, circus, carom, quiz, and lottery. The daily use apparatus pavilions also occupy a large area. The whole village fair appears as a rejoice to the locality. People from all walks of life take a start to visit the fair. The fair, though, is kept opening 24 hours. It appeals the villagers most profoundly at the evening tide. The fathers with their children make a gather in the fair, and the children enjoy it with rides of merry-go-round. They buy fruits, dolls, balloons, toys, and some foods as mudi, khoi, and sweets. The teenagers enjoy theatres, lottery, quiz, and gambles whole night. Some become succeeded and some failed. The trade and commerce holders benefit by running their business. The misspender gambling become an wall losser. On the other side, the environment setting village fair one filth and for a long time the surrounding of the locality. remains populated. Some are seen to be ill by the odor wrappers, polythenes, human waste, etc. A village fair bears both sides of advantage and disadvantage for the villagers. Thank you very much. Hope you have understood about the village fair. Really, a village fair is interesting to the villagers and the village people. It is occasionally arranged on the occasion of Durga Puja most. However, by practicing we have to advance. At first we have to read from the exercise book, and as per my advice you will read again and again. Each sentence is to be understood or realized by meaning, then you have to go ahead. Hope you will read my paragraph on village fair and do something better. Part 2, Article gaps. Here we will talk about article gaps. Read out the whole passage, then we have to go ahead. The trade and commerce holders benefit by running their business. The misspender gambling become an all-losser. On the other side, the environment sitting village fair one filth, and for a long time the surrounding of the locality remains polluted. Some are seen to be ill by the odor wrappers, polythenes, human waste, etc. A village fair bears both sides of advantage and disadvantage for the villagers. Now you can see there are 5 article gaps here. By understanding or realizing the usage or application of articles a and thou or cross, you have to fill out or fill up the blanks. Hope you have understood most of the point to fill in the blanks. Now we have to see the answer. Follow here, there are 5 articles fill up. First article the, second article the, third article a, fourth article cross, fifth article cross. It means you have to use article as per the sentence application. At the beginning of the sentence you have to use capital letter, and the article must be as per the sentence rules and regulation. If we see any particular item, we have to use the. Indefinite object a or an, no article cross. Again I show you the question to fill up by yourself. Hope you will do better. Fill up the blanks by a and thou or cross. Hope you have understood the use or application of article. Now we have to do ourselves. Again I show you the answer to memorize and realize properly. The, a, cross, cross. It means particular item the, non-particular item a or an, vowel an, no vowel a, no article cross. Part 3, capitalization and punctuation marks. Here we will talk about the application of capitalization and punctuation mark. Read out the passage again. The trade and commerce holders benefit by running their business. The misspender gambling become annual losser. On the other side, the environment sitting village fair, one filth, and for a long time the surrounding of the locality remains polluted. Some are seen to be ill by the odor vapors, polythene, human waste, etc. A village fair bears both sides of advantage and disadvantage for the villagers. Follow here, there are 5 words marked with white colors. It means the words belong any fault with capital letter and punctuation mark. Hope you have understood the faults belong to the words. Follow here the answers. The T capital letter, losser full stop, some S capital letter, polythenes, comma, villagers full stop. The rules and regulations are at the beginning of the sentence we have to use capital letter. At the end of the sentence we have to use full stop, interrogative sign or exclamatory sign. If we have to wait half second we have to use comma. In this way we have to correct each sentence with capital letter and punctuation mark. Again I gave you the chance to correct by yourself. Read out the passage and try your level best how the sentence is to be correct by capital letter and punctuation mark. Hope you have understood properly, but as I give you the chance to see again and again, you have to be more advanced. Here combine your answers and the passage answers. If you answer as per the passage answers I gave you, you are right. T capital letter, losser full stop, some S capital letter, polythenes, comma, villagers full stop. Okay, hope in this way you have to be advanced by your exercise. Thank you very much. Wish you good luck to the Almighty Allah. You must follow my video class on English and learn something from here.